ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 85 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 5. ಅಶಾಂತ ಸಮರೋದ್ಧತಂ ವಿಟಪಪಾಟನಾ ಸಂಜ್ಞಯಾ ನಿಪಾತ್ಯ ಜರಸಹಸುತಂ ಪವನಜೇನ ನಿಷ್ಪಾಟಿತಂ ವಿಮುಚ್ಯ ನೃಪತೀನ್ಮುದಾ ಸಮನುಗೃಹ್ಯ ಭಕ್ತಿಂ ಪರಾಂ ದಿದೇಶಿತಗತಸ್ಪೃಹಾನಪಿ ಚ ಧರ್ಮಗುಪ್ತ್ಯೈ ಭುವಃ. Word by word meaning. Ashanta Samarodhatam, who was displaying his arrogance in that violent fight. Uddhata, arrogant. Jarasaha Sutam, the son of Jarasandha. Vitapa Patana Sangyaya, by means of the hint of splitting a twig. Pavanajena, by Bhima. Nishpatitam, split into two. Nipatya, throwing down, dead. Nrupateen, the imprisoned kings. Vimuchya, releasing. Muda Samanugruhya, happily blessing them. Param Bhaktim, supreme devotion. Videshitha, didst give. Gataspruhan api, though free from all desires. Bhuvaha, of the earth. Dharma Guptyai, for ruling according to Dharma. Dideshitha, didst engage them. Full meaning. By giving a hint, by splitting a twig, thou didst make Bhima split into two and kill Jarasandha, who in his arrogance was fighting ferociously. Thou didst then release the imprisoned kings and blessing them happily. Thou didst not only confer on them supreme devotion, but didst also engage them in ruling the earth according to Dharma, even though they were absolutely free from all desires for kingdom, etc. Note: Jarasandha was born as two vertically split halves. A demoness named Jara put the two pieces together and brought him up. So he was called Jarasandha. This is also why he could be killed only by splitting him vertically. Om Tat Sat.